Multimedia production. This presentation will explore presentations, storyboards, color, pictures, media objects. Class Act SRS enabled. Introduction. Multimedia is the art of developing computer-based presentations using any combination of text, graphic art, animation, sound, video. This presentation provides an overview of how multimedia enhances the user's experience via delivery of a more interesting visual display. Next greater than question. 1. A multimedia presentation could include text, sound and video. Is this true or false? Answer true or false. Correct answer equals true. Presentations. People have been delivering presentations since prehistoric cave painting was in vogue. Technological advancement has provided the capability for producing exciting and readily understood multimedia presentations. Types of media that can be used to enhance a presentation are graphics and photographs, illustrations and diagrams, sound and moving images. There is no real limit to the quality of what can now be achieved using a computer and some multimedia software. Next greater than. Multimedia tools. Multimedia authoring tools are the software packages used to develop the elements of a good presentation. There are many different computer tools and technologies, so availability, cost, and personal choice dictate which are used. A certain skill level is required to incorporate them all seamlessly into a high-quality presentation. Potential problematic issues are large file sizes, operating system incompatibilities, unpopular data file types. Next greater than. Question 2. What do you need to create a good presentation? A. Lots of time. B. Lots of helpers. Correct answer equals D. C. A graphics tablet. D. A good authoring package. Question 3. What technical problem do you think a large file size would cause if it was incorporated into a multimedia presentation? A. It might not fit on a hard disk drive. B. It might take too long to play. Correct answer equals C. C. It might take too long to load. D. It might not be compatible. Organization. Before beginning any multimedia development, time should be taken to determine its purpose and the subjects it should include. The next step involves building a mental picture of the message to be imparted, how that might be achieved. Next, it is necessary to compile an outline and project plan to get a more specific idea of the requirement in terms of skills, time, budget, tools, resource. Next greater than. Question 4. It is better to start preparing a multimedia presentation immediately rather than waste any time planning. Is this true or false? Answer true or false. Correct answer equals false. Presentation structure. Planning has an essential role to play in any design process. The quality of the preparatory work determines the success of any creation. When building multimedia presentations, the structure plan is called a storyboard. Storyboards have long been used to develop ideas in many types of media production, including advertising, filmmaking. Storyboards help to visualize the presentation and can assist you in effectively communicating your ideas to others on a development team. Next greater than. Question 5. What is a storyboard? A. An advertising plan. B. A large book with pictures. Correct answer equals C. C. A presentation planning technique. D. A means of recording what you have done. Building storyboards. A picture is often thought to say a 1,000 words and a large proportion of a storyboard is usually in sketch format. These sketches should provide a description of each screen's layout. They should show the positioning of each slide's basic elements, including text, interactive buttons, graphic images. Beneath each sketch, further technical information should be provided, such as file names, special effects, text content, next greater than. Storyboards. A good storyboard clearly and explicitly explains what is to happen in a multimedia presentation. For example, what happens on a particular screen, where it happens on a screen, how it happens. It is a good idea to prepare a template from which to create your storyboard. This will help make it professional, easily understood, easy to update or amend. Next greater than. Question 6. A storyboard will usually contain sketches. Is this true or false? Answer: true or false. Correct answer equals true. Question 7. Storyboards are best prepared using a template. Is this true or false? Answer: true or false. Correct answer equals true. Color is among the most vital components of any multimedia undertaking. It should be used to enhance the experience of anyone viewing a presentation. Great care, however, should be shown when selecting your colors for use within a presentation. Some colors detract from each other, making text difficult to read. Other colors can look different on different computer systems. It is often a good idea to use a color theme throughout an entire presentation. This ensures continuity and a more professional presentation in appearance. Next greater than. Question 8. Which of the following is not true about the use of color in multimedia presentations? A. It is better to use as many colors as possible. B. Some colors do not go well together. Correct answer equals A. C. Some colors do not stand out on computer screens. D. It is best to apply a color scheme to the whole presentation. Graphical images, graphics and animations can add stunning visual content to a presentation. Used carefully, they can make any development look highly professional. There are various file types, but the most common graphics tend to be in GIF, JPEG, or BMP format when produced. A wide range of graphics software packages are available for use in creating graphics and animations. They can also be imported using digital cameras or scanners. Depending on how the presentation is to be presented, keeping file size as small as possible is important. Next greater than. Question 9. Which of the following is not likely to be a graphic file? A. Picture.jpg. B. Picture.txt. Correct answer equals B. C. Picture.gif. D. Picture.bmp. Media objects embedded in multimedia projects are media objects such as video, animation, interactivity, audio clips. They can make a presentation far more professional, transforming it into an audio and visual experience for the viewer. While these media objects can bring a presentation to life, they must also be treated with caution. Large file sizes can slow down and disrupt the presentation flow. Some computers may be unable to handle certain types of media object. Next greater than. Video. Derived from digital technology, video is one of the most captivating elements of multimedia. Wisely used video clips can dramatically enhance a presentation. Among other things, they can emphasize pertinent points of information, link subject matter, reinforce the intended message. Producing and embedding video clips in a presentation requires skill and specialist software. Maintaining small file size is also an important consideration. Next, greater than audio. Sound is perhaps one of the most effective multimedia elements, providing a dramatic alternative to text. Produced using specialized software, these sound files have file extensions such as WAV, AVI. Audio clips can set the mood of a presentation by way of background music, or add impact through sound effects. Audio clips enhance presentation, offering an alternative method by which to educate, inform, emphasize. Next, greater than. Question 10. Which of these files is a sound file? A. Noise.wav. B. Noise.dog. Correct answer equals A. C. Noise.text. D. Noise.pmp.